Hello guys, this is Vera TV program. Oh yes guys, I greet you all, I greet you all, I greet you all, I greet you all. This Vera TV program in the building. Oh yes. So that's it, my beautiful people. So before we start our normal this, you can see the other waist trainer is that don't, or the one I order again don't come out. So let me show you guys, because if they do something, just go. You can see me now. I don't want to wear trousers today. Maybe I say person they form, person they lie, person they do the person they do that. You know, I don't want to wear trousers today. I make me wear complete so that when I go see and reach down, so that I go understand. Show not see, show not see. So come here, guys. So you can see. Hello guys, you can see this waist trainer. Now SL9 I used before. Now be the first one. SL, right? How do I look? Oh yes guys, this is summertime. You need to look. You can see that. You can see that. You see them. So now they see them now. Now see my belly. Now they see them. Now see my belly. So that is how we are going to use it, guys. So you can see that. So let me wear complete so that when I go see a rich ground, not the one where you say you come by side the light. So you can see that. So you can see that, my people. So you see them. Now see here. I'm gonna drop this one first, guys. Now see here. So you see as it be now. You see them. Now see as it be so. You see them. You see them. You see them. So you can see it, guys. You can see it properly, right? Okay, right now. So let's meet on phone. Oh yes guys, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. Please watch this video, this Vera TV program for the waist trainer. Even many men don't come and say they don't order for their wife. Man, if you did, if you never order for a wife, it looks sweet like as I did. So with the fuck up, so with the contract that one. So this is the second one. Before I will use this one, you see it? I don't lie. Can you see that? I want to look sweet for my sweetheart, okay? My ladies out there, look sweet for your husband, your sweetheart. So you can see it. Now two. Now see, me I know they lie, I know they do fake something. I don't do it. I order another because I don't say this one, it really work. I wear and sleep this night. As I wake up, I don't toilet 3 times. 3 good times. I don't toilet today. I don't toilet when I go wear and sleep. All the fat, you see, they see. See, this is the one I'm going to use again right now, guys. You can see this chabe I don't like. Now look now, I go see and say I tie. Sure, now see and say I tie. So this one now, another one I see. So another one when I order. You understand? You see it? SL now they use before. So let's check this size. What's that? You see L. You see that? You see that? L. SL now I use for the first one when I tie. So this one now L. So you can see it is new one. You can see I say no big reach that one. You see now I want to use after this one, because this one already day number 3, no a third line now. So after this one now I'm going to use this one. Okay guys, then after this that one, then I will come for this one. I made me order and forgot. So now see the nylon now. I know the line. Show now the see this one and this one nylon. Why this one and this one nylon? Okay, let me show you guys. Okay, let me show you guys, my people. Okay, let me show you guys. So this one are the medium. You can see it, medium. Okay guys, it's medium. You see if I don't feel enter this one, my people, she starts to take cough come. Oh my god, you see this one are double. Let me show you guys. This one are the one that they zip double. You see so see the normal one. This one I see. You see na 3 line. Now first line is there. So first line. So if I enter, then if I don't wear another, then I can't zip them again. You see it's double. You see double. I show you. Now see so now this one you go enter. Then after you don't enter, this one don't enter. For if this one don't enter your body like this. You see if this one don't enter like this, then you will now zip am. Can't be double. You see me I put them back again there. You can't zip and put. Now see if I don't feel enter this one like this, guys. You see if I don't feel enter this one. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, you see it? So I need to show on a reel so that una go see am well well. No be one person go come like say person dey deceive or as me dey, so I don't like wetin be say person go dey do something, no go dey see am real, my beautiful people. So na see am, this one different though. This one is different. You can see that solid one, very cheap. You can see it. Then let me bring the second one. You see it? That is 1, 2. Then I will not come for this 3. You understand? When you miss something so that if they do it to people go believe say, what did this person they do they read. When you look at my videos, you say I not be fake, I not be good. Look at me now, she be a bend down now. See, I'm not me wear complete today, so that I go send me no so let trousers, I can't the raise shirt up. Maybe it gets some when it height. You see it? You see it? You see me right there? You see me right there, guys. You see me right there, guys. So me, I wear my high heel, make I show to my people. They come make I wear my high heel. So let me get it, guys. Let me show my beautiful people because I don't like it. Fake. Okay. Can you see my high heel right here? Can you see my high heel? So I don't wear high heel. I don't like. So let me show you guys the high heel. You can see that. Let me raise it. Can you see it? Let me raise it. Can you see the high heel? Can you see that? So I don't daylight. See. Yeah, I show now. Make I not fall. Show myself. I don't wear high heel. So you can draw. As I call the wear, if you don't make you shit. I said the one I wear last night. I purge 3 times. I repeat again. 3 times. I purge. You know why? Because I wear and sleep. You understand? So if they show something after many kids, so I look sweet like this, you know, say yourself will still look sweet, my beautiful people. Please get yours. And hey, me out there. Now they see Vera. This one at the second one. After this one, when I tie so, this one will be second one. Then third one. You see it? If I don't feel enter this one, I'm not gonna feel happy. You see that? Let me drop this one, guys. Let me drop this one. You see that? You see I say reach chest. From down, you reach chest. You see that? You see that? You see that, guys? You see that? You see that? You see how it be? You go make kakboshi. If they go now, koi. So you can see my high heel. I put on black high heel. I can raise it for you so that you can see it. You can see it. Black high heel. You can see that. You can see that. So I put on high heel. So that made me tall like this. Order yours. When the say you go look sweet, you see how? So let me put it back, guys. Now see how my people. So I don't order this one at the 2. It just come yesterday. Yeah, yesterday. It come yesterday. So you see how my beautiful people. That's why I say I nylon is there. So it cannot be joke matter. So that's why I take some. It come yesterday, my beautiful people. So this one is the one. After this one, now this one I will use. Let me bring the other line. Let me keep it. So after that one, then I will now use this Ogbonge one, my beautiful people. I will now use this one. So you see, I just order them so that as I use them, when I go they see them. Very cheap price. Don't be waiting. They say you go with they spend big money, 50 euro, 80 euro, 70 euro. No, guys, you see it? You can see that. This one, I'm going to use this one next, and I will use this one last. If I don't feel enter this medium, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, I will look so. Take away. Show you some. I made me wear complete dress today, so that you can see me, guys. You understand? So I wear complete dress today. Someone for see me. Remember I say guru. Now I put on high heel. That is the reason why I tall like this. Doggy. You see that? You can see that. You can see that. So you will look sweet. You are going out. You know what the shade say? Hey, belly too big. You see that? You see that? You see that? So I need to wear complete today, so that you guys will see. You see it? You see, I'm looking for the side. You see how? So, my people. Oh, yes, my beautiful people. So, order yours. Because I take buy and so I buy 3. 1, 2, 3. After this one, I'm going to enter this one. After this one, I'm going to enter this one. This one is the medium. So now, so my people, let's go back to business, guys. So please, when you see this video, it will make you look. You see, I can't be like this. I can't be like this. You see it? Like this. You tiny go inside. Now see, my beautiful people. Now see, it will go like this. You must definitely. As here the bone fat they here when you be say that fat you go see on now look on see attire show myself. Yeah, show myself. Now you go like this. When we say I know where I lie or maybe I go the fake them. No, I don't fake. I know they do. I know they do. I know they do my beautiful people. So men out there, make your wife look sweet. Let your baby mama look sweet, eh? Because it's very good when it be say when you go they buy for her. If you believe be before you come be like under 16. Or as I did so now, you not like her. If me wear this one come outside now, men must say shh. Or except I tell you say, I get man no, I not be single girl or single lady so. You understand? You will look sweet even here on my body now. Don't they, you see her? Because when you they purge, when it be say the thing they tighten, it they go down. It's going down. Definitely, you will see and say, my man, just look at me. This very TV program in the building. You see aside, I look sweet. No matter what, I'm not to put pancake. I just make I just put some more. You understand? For my fans, for my people, for my real people. So please order your own when it be say good for. Let me wear gown today. This is complete. You see my shape. You see that? You must surely get them after you don't do. You see, don't be my you. You see that? You understand? That is it, my beautiful people. See, you see, you see it. So that is it, my people. So men, don't tell you go see small girl. You go the when they follow small girl. Many men don't call me, and many men don't say write me for my YouTube. When I go check and say don't order for your wife. Thank you, Vera. So God go bless all those men. When they call me, say your wife, say I like her. Say as Vera can be. Show it. I do read something. I don't do fake, guys. Look at me. I don't do fake. And now they say I'm not. When I say my tight line, I do so. When they say I tie, I not be say they say my mind. No, I tie. When I take time, never reach 2 weeks. So it's not up to 2 weeks. It's not up to 2 weeks. I don't be like this. Tell me when you as I take the use them, so they use them. Not be everyday sleep like the 3 days ago I don't use them, but this night I wear and sleep. You understand? I don't pause 3 times. I don't eat. Oh, now look time now. See now. This is after 2. I don't eat. You understand? Before I wear so, if you they eat, where are my darling sister, my darling people out there, my darling ladies? Where are you they eat? If you wake up in the morning, make sure say you wear them. Yesterday, that's what I do. As I wake up, I wear them. Then we break for yesterday. I don't wear and sleep. I don't feel like but now this night I wear them. I wear and sleep this today. You understand? As I wake up yesterday, I they wear in the morning. If you want me to work for wear them, you they mop. As I felt talking that day, you they mop, you they cook, you they do house choice. You they clean ground, you they wash plate, wear and let and there. My dear, if you pull and hit, will they worry you. It don't boss or Carolis come on for that place. Every day you they put on, you they put on, you they put on, you they tie, my darling sister. That place can never remain the same. Oh, except you use her today until next 4 weeks before you go use her. As me take they use her so. When I see me now, wanna look her now. Wanna look me now, not be me be this. Check it out, my darling people. Just check it out. When you dey waka like this, nobody go say you too fat. You see that? Me too fat like this now. Now belle dey make person fat, but make me no tire just now. Or make I not dey use am that the way it's supposed to be. Belle go come be like this. Then you will not look big. You come back and say you big. But as I dey wear am so, it dey burn, it dey burn, it dey burn. Oh yeah, now no space when you go take the wide. When all those intestines go take the big, you dey eat, you go dey wide. No. It dey compress am to the sense that you self go dey receive am. As I tie and sleep, this morning I toilet 3 times. 3 good times now I toilet. Eat puru around 5:30. Now I go take throw away one. Again, 7 will never reach. I still throw away one. Around 9, now I still throw away another one. Before my belly come in now. Before I come fit do things, I can't eat. Bath, can't eat. Now when I want bath, now I pull them again. As I bath finish, I don't rub cream. I still put her on before I eat. Tell me how I not go take work. I went and sleep this morning now. Now when I want bath, now I pull her. Now they hear me. I the toilet that 3 times when I toilet, I wear them. I'm not pulling. Now when I don't do something finish, when I want bath before I go eat, now I take pull. As I see bath in the rub cream, now I tire. So as I tire, I eat truth. I never still want to come out now before they do this video now, my people. So that is it, my beautiful people. Not let person deceive you. Men out there, they follow you guess in that time to give your woman, some women, they say, hey, yes, they look like that for me. No, my dear sister, tell him to buy it for you. I wear high heel now. If you say now, you see me. If you say I use alpaca. No, be say your belly will come make you big. They go they wear you down. Even high heel, you no go feel wear, my darling sister. My darling mommy out there, you know, if you wear high heel, waka, you go the time only light slippers go they wear. No, you see. Let me show you high heel when I wear. You see it? You see You see the high heel? Can you see that? Very high when I wear. So not be said they say. But the time when I get weight, when I never they do this, I know they feel wear and take. If I wear and I don't lose, I'm not going to feel wear and go. But as I did now, I can wear this high heel. You see it? You see, say long. Now I wear so. So our women out there. Just wear them. The tie is very good for you. Very good and very cheap for you. When you be say, I wear them. Very good and very cheap. It's not up to 30 euro. No matter what, your husband can afford that. How much? 20 euro for the 20 pounds for the waist trainer, 5 pounds for the shifting. Altogether 25 pounds. Okay, 25 pounds. Share to you euro. May I just say 28 euro because now 27 euro some cents. Let me just say okay right now is 28 euro. My dear sister, no matter what you go fit afford them. When you go the buy costly one, 80 euro, 70 euro, 60 euro, you not go fit. You not go fit buy this one. When you go work for you, start to buy and so. May I still show now once again. I know they lie. So on my house like this, I not go borrow one. Not be borrow, not be borrow pose. You can see that. This one are the medium. Now this one I will use last. Why this one? Now I will use before this one. After this one, I'm going to use this one. So you will see me how I'm going to look. You see that? So you will look sweet. So let me wear complete today. Mona see me from head to toe. Not the only maybe I come to wear trousers small and then they go say you shall say they work. You shall say nah read. No. Understand, guys. How do I look? You see that? You see that? You see that? You see that? It's the body. You see that, my people? So it's very good. It's very nice. So I don't order 3. 1, 2, 3. So go and order your own, my beautiful people. Go and order yours. It's very good. So this waist trainer will make you lose sweet, my mommy, my sister out there, my real fans. It will make you lose. If you never buy. You know, cost. How much I take buy all of them? Okay, may I say 28 to 3. It's not to 90 euro. May I say 90 euro, take order 3. When you say some people they sell at 180 euro, 90 euro for only one. Let's say the truth where the truth is very cheap. It's 29 euro, 27 euro, some said, let me say 28 euro. You will get one. But the shipping. If you want to buy 3, it's not to 90 euro. Maybe say now you will not the use. After you come up for LS, you enter a large. After large, you can't enter a medium. You understand? You can't enter medium. You look as I look sweet now. This is mine. This is mine. This is mine. This is mine. This is for me, guys. This is for me. So go and order your own. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to subscribe to Vera TV program, my new YouTube channel, Vera Comedy TV. Go and subscribe, please. My real fan, if you watch this video, my new YouTube channel. Now we're going to do comedy. We're going to laugh, they jollificate, they happy. Is Vera Comedy channel, Vera Comedy TV, not channel. Vera Comedy TV. Please, if you never subscribe, please subscribe. So I will still tell my people today so that they will follow up. Thank you, guys. Bye. Look sweet, guys. Bye.